friends. Welcome to me and Gracie's first episode for our recipes that the kids love. Okay, so today's recipe, we're going to be making a chocolate chip pound cake. And this is not my recipe. I have to give credit to my friend Laura. This is her recipe. You got to start, Gracie, you got to flour the pan. Do you know how to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
You ball up the napkin just about like this. And you scoop it in there. Get about that much. Show them. That much. And you get it in all the little divots and crannies. And you just want to spread it all around.
Okay, and while Gracie's doing that, we've got the oven preheating to 300 degrees. Gracie, how did you learn to do that with a napkin?
I don't know. I was just guessing.
Are you talking with your country accent today?
Jesus is coming. And then you get your flour. This is white lily flour, the light baking flour.
It can be any brand.
Any brand.
It doesn't have to be white lily.
Then you dump it in there, sprinkle it all around the bundt pan.
Do you really know how to do this?
I'm just guessing. I'll make sure you get the white substances all around the bowl.
Just kind of sprinkle it around like that.
And then you get classic yellow Duncan Hines cake mix. The whole thing. Grab it by the horns and pour it all in.
Okay, we're just gonna dump all the ingredients in the bowl.
You want to use this so you can put your eggs in it, your cracked eggs in it later. Do you do that? I always do that.
No, because I put that in the recycle. Okay.
And then you put a chocolate jello instant pudding and pie filling, 4.5 cup servings. Chocolate.
And it has to be instant.
And it has to be instant.
Okay, I'll get the water.
And you put the whole thing in there. And then a vanilla jello, same, instant, 4.5 cups, same, but vanilla.
Instant pudding.
Instant pudding.
A cup and a half of water.
A cup and a half of water. Lukewarm, cold, or they're cold. A cup and a half of cold water. Well, how much is that?
This is the half.
Oh.
Okay. This is a half a cup of vegetable oil. Okay.
And then all 4 of the eggs?
All 4 of the eggs.
4 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil.
Okay, but let's do this first so that you don't get eggshell in the cake. Crack them over that.
Over this bowl?
Yeah. Crack them in there just to make sure you don't get eggshell.
Does it ever hurt your fingers when you're cracking it?
No. 1 more egg. So that was 4 eggs. Right now, Gracie, we need to mix it.
Okay.
So start out on low.
You have to make your joke again.
Okay, so we just beat this for 2 minutes with the mixer that's older than me. We won't say how old that is. Not yet. Here, let me put this in there.
What? Oh.
And, we forgot the vanilla. Gracie.
How much
Hang on a
vanilla?
second, we gotta have vanilla. Okay, we're gonna have 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
It kind of smells like alcohol.
It's because there's alcohol in it.
Is there actually alcohol in it?
Yes, you can drink vanilla extract and get drunk.
Is that true?
Yes, but it's very easily to get alcohol poisoning.
Oh.
Okay, now we got the vanilla in, and we need chocolate chips.
Cooking with Ryan.
Deep South cooking.
No.
Deep South recipes.
No.
Okay.
Let us know in the comments down below.
Exactly. We need names for our cooking show. And again, we're not taking credit for this recipe. We did not create this recipe.
So
Aunt Laura's recipe.
Once the chocolate chips are
Yeah, you
properly folded,
Fold it in. You gotta
Fold it
fold them
in.
in.
you want to pour it evenly in your bundt. You have to have specifically a bundt can. Bundt pan.
Can you do that? Or do you want me to do that?
There's stuff on the bottom of it.
Okay, I'll do that. Just spread it evenly around.
Here.
Oh yeah, there you go, Gracie. Turn it for me. Okay, now we have to turn it around. We're obviously not professional.
And you want to leave enough
And
to
we're
lick
not-
the spoon.
And then,
All right, and then you shake the pan.
and then you got to get this off the edges so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, shake the pan.
Shake the pan
That's good.
to get the air bubbles out.
Okay, and then let's put it in the oven.
And then you put it in the oven on 420.
No, 300.
On 300 for
An hour and a half.
an hour and a half. Oh my
Did you
gosh.
burn yourself?
Who wants to wait that long for a cake?
Okay, so we will be back
In an hour?
from our non-sponsored commercial break.
But it will only be a second for you.
Okay, here's our finished product. Gonna slice a piece, Gracie?
Well, you have to tell them what to do. You flip the thing over and pull it off. You have to let it cool for 5 minutes before you do that.
Yeah, we took it out of the oven, let it cool for 5 minutes, and then flipped it out onto the plate.
Okay, I want to do another song.
Okay, so we're gonna try that. It's really good when it's hot out of the oven because the chocolate chips are
Won't it burn?
warm. Mmm. Cheers.
Mmm.
Cheers.
I like it better when it's cooled down.
Okay.
That's all, folks. See you
That's-
next time.
That's a wrap.